Hello everyone! Sea cucumbers, which are marine creatures, lack a backbone. Recognized for their elongated, soft bodies resembling sausages or cucumbers, the global count of sea cucumber species is approximately 1,700. Certain varieties of sea cucumber enjoy significant popularity in Asian culinary traditions. In soups, stews, and salads, they find application, whether dried or fresh. This video delves into the journey from harvesting sea cucumber to its factory processing. If you find our content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving our video a thumbs up. Renowned for their rich collagen content and resilient connective tissues, sea cucumbers exhibit remarkable flexibility and durability, endowing them to unique properties. These intrinsic characteristics not only contribute to their adaptability in diverse marine environments, but also underscore their potential medicinal benefits, making them a valuable resource in traditional cuisines and herbal remedies. The versatility of sea cucumbers extends beyond their ecological significance to encompass their culinary and commercial appeal, particularly in Asian countries where they enjoy widespread popularity. This burgeoning demand has propelled the rise of sea cucumber farming, a burgeoning method of aquaculture that offers a sustainable solution to meet the escalating market demand. Central to the success of sea cucumber farming is the establishment of specialized factories known as sea cucumber hatcheries, meticulously designed to support the entire life cycle of these remarkable creatures. Within these controlled environments, optimal conditions are maintained to cater to the nutritional, temperature, and oxygen requirements of sea cucumbers, ensuring their health and growth. By mitigating the challenges encountered in natural environments, sea cucumber hatcheries play a pivotal role in replenishing declining populations and ensuring the availability of high-quality specimens. Various techniques can be employed for the harvesting of sea cucumbers, each serving distinct purposes. Among these approaches, the dragging method stands out as the most frequently utilized. Within this method, a specialized tool known as an algarna is yielded to carefully scrape sea cucumbers from the seabed, ensuring minimal disruption to their natural habitat. Throughout the harvesting process, meticulous attention is paid to prevent any harm from befalling the sea cucumbers, prioritizing their well-being and sustainability. In order to uphold the balance of marine ecosystems, it is imperative that sea cucumber harvesting is conducted in a manner that is both responsible and sustainable. This entails imposing limitations on the types and quantities of sea cucumber that can be captured, thereby safeguarding their populations from depletion. As these remarkable creatures mature over a span of 6 months to 2 years, it is crucial to accurately discern the optimal time for harvest, thereby preserving the integrity and quality of the yield. Recognized for their pivotal role in marine ecosystems, sea cucumbers serve as indispensable agents in the purification of the sea, diligently sweeping away sediment and detritus. Furthermore, they serve as a vital food source for numerous marine organisms, underscoring their significance with the intricate web of marine life. Despite their ecological importance, sea cucumbers face a myriad of threats, including overfishing, habitat degradation, and pollution, necessitating stringent adherence to regulations governing their exploitation. Following their harvest, sea cucumbers undergo meticulous processing within specialized factories to render them fit for consumption. These facilities, dispersed across various regions, undertake the intricate task of cleaning, sorting, and preserving the harvested sea cucumbers. Through a meticulous process, these sea cucumbers are meticulously cleaned of sand and impurities, meticulously sorted according to size and quality before undergoing either drying or freezing procedures. The processing of harvested sea cucumbers necessitates adherence to stringent hygienic standards, ensuring the preservation of their quality and safety. It is imperative that all legal regulations governing the processing of sea cucumbers are meticulously observed, safeguarding both consumers and the environment. Ultimately, the processed sea cucumber emerged ready for consumption, meticulously packaged to preserve their freshness and quality for discerning customers. The significance of conserving sea cucumber populations is underscored by their role as the cleaners of the sea, diligently filtering and purifying marine habitats. With some species boasting lifespans of up to a decade, the sustainability of sea cucumber population hinges upon responsible harvesting practices and adherence to regulations. Thus, it is incumbent upon all stakeholders to uphold ethical and sustainable practices